Hi YouTubers, Terry here. I wanted to share some projects I've done using these wooden, pressboard uh, boxes. I don't even know what you call them. Wall hangings, I guess, from Dollartree. And I'm going to save this one and I'll show you what I've done for Christmas ones, but I'm going to do a Halloween one with this one. And these are nice because they've got a nice hanger, and they're real sturdy and just kind of fun. And you don't have to use this. So when I first started doing these, here's one, oh excuse me, that I've already done, and it it was I did it last year, so I wanted to just show you. But it was, this was on it and I took it off, okay? And this year when I'm doing some, I actually left these on, and I'll show you why. This one is nice and I like it. It's a Santa baby, done with Santa baby stuff, but it doesn't have much dimension, and I'm not a crafter that puts a ton of junk stuff on things. I go for a little bit more simple, and that's just my style of crafting. So I made this and I like it, but it doesn't have enough depth for me. And so I wanted to show you these new ones I just did using Santa baby, and they're pretty much alike. I got this really pretty, it's kind of an aqua light teal kind of color, and I ended up leaving the little wood piece, this thing on it, and using once I got the face all done on with cardstock and stuff like that, I used this really good sticky tape, double back tape. This is Frank Garcia's, and I just put it across the face of this while it was still on the board, and mounted the picture, or all this pink part. Okay, I'm not saying it very well on it. So everything I used on this one, besides the box, was Santa baby, Prima Frank Garcia Santa baby. All the there's some chipboard elements, there's some die cuts, there's some fussy cut around the Santa from the paper pad, and it's all from this collection. And the stickers, the snowflake stickers, I did use some of these Nouveau glitter drops to dress up his fringe on his coat and his hat, and I did use some of their washi tape around the frame, and that added a lot of really pretty to it. But I like how keeping that decorative wood piece on there raises this up, and it makes it more dimensional, kind of sets it off. And this one's pretty much the same. The jolly's a little bit different, but I did those two on that teal color, and then I had gotten some silver boxes and decided to do two more using the glittered silver box. And this is from the 12 by 12 paper pad, this background paper is, and this is an ephemera piece, and these were from the chipboard sticker pack along with that. And then there's a little Merry Little Christmas that's there. That was an ephemera piece. And again, this is raised up on that board. And I really like how these turned out. And once again, I used the Nuvo drops to kind of add a little bit of texture and glitter sparkle to the berries and on the tree and on his Santa suit. So I made 2 of those. This one's a little bit different, but pretty similar. Okay, and those are my Santa baby ones. And then I had some of the bright green ones, the spring green kind of like, that didn't go as well with the Santa baby paper. And I decided to go in my Christmas paper stash, and I had a whole collection of stuff using the Doodlebug milk and cookies. So I have embellishments and ephemera and stickers and everything, along with this 12 by 12 and a 6 by 6 paper pad. So I decided to do some with that, and I made 3, and I'll show them all to you. And I'm really happy with how these turned out too. These will look good in my grandkids in their houses. So, so this is using the paper pad and the ephemera pieces. I used the Nuvo drops to glitter up the ornaments on the tree and on the wreath and the stockings and the fire. So if you can kind of see that, that one turned out really good. This one I did using, again, some green glitter paper that I had, and this is sticker strip, and so this is all from the Doodlebug thing too, and I really like how that turned out. And then the third one I did was this one. So I'm really happy with how all these turned out, and excited to, next time I go to Dollartree, maybe pick up some more to do. I'd like to do some more of both kinds, and do them ahead of time so they're ready just to give as gifts to grandkids and coworkers as it gets closer to Christmas. So that's all I have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.